Birds, birds. We all love birds.
Birdman with the head of a falcon from a Jackson.
Oh, God. That just was the worst attack I've ever seen in my life. I forgot. Did Zeus? I think he got one win. I can't even remember because he rarely wins. Wow, seriously? Bird battle. It's technically freaking it's Zeus, but it has a bird on it, and my lord, don't hit the ground. Ow, quit hitting my arm, you muffin hole. I don't know which one I'm rooting for. I guess Vulcan looks cooler. Not to brag or anything. That was a weird launch. Here we go, this is the game. That was very anticlimactic. Okay, Jupiter wins. I think it's on a roll right now. I doubt it is, but whatever. I'm here.